them pots, Delta.
Yo, we're teed up in this party, yeah, they know it's us. What the fuck, I'm off the lick, but bitch, don't wake me up. I'm high as fuck, it's BCO, no niggas smoking us. But fuck who with it, we gon' slide it till they give it up. They doing all this net capping, we gon' fuck them up. You drop the C, we on that car, we gon' blink it up. Don't drop your low, I got some killers who gon' put you up. They put me in the booth, I'm sliding till they turn me up. These niggas bitching on the net, these niggas know what's up. Pass the blick and bring the chop, we blowing niggas up. Hey, I'ma come around and fuck around, ain't fuck they fussing out. This up on the beat, we come around and fuck your cousin out. I can't trust too many, back up before I put this glizzy up. All we do is slide my niggas gangsta, we don't get no fuck. If we come around, we knockin' two up off the top. Glizzy on me, blickin' 30, who else gon' get popped? He on that corner smoking Doja, go knock off his locks. His nose is swollen, fingers broken, taking all they Glocks. Yeah, I just got to drop it, buddy, right, we in they spot. Fuck them kids, they bad as hell, bet one could take a shot. Pop out with my chop, she shaking ass for all this guap.
Yeah, y'all know what the fuck it is.
Gang, they got them Glocks around. It'll be some shots all through that block, we put your homie down. Yeah, they know me from rapping, I be trapping, smoking hella pals. Look him, got that 19, throw the mop in, he a West Town. Know we keep these bitches around, I ain't sorry though. Gang be throwing shells all through that whip like we on Mario. Yeah, I hit that bitch, we probably smoke, but then she gotta go. Yeah, we do different shit, she tryna fuck me cause a nigga broke. Yeah, phone on don't play D, but we be blitzing like it's 4th and goal. Yeah, he be tryna save a hoe. That's what's wrong with niggas now. Yeah, we'll get on their ass about that cash, won't be no fucking smell. Yeah, if he said that he shot at Lil 3, just know he capping out. Hey, Tasty get the clapping out, bet he won't be rapping out. Hey, lil' folks that be bapping out. Hey, look, he hit that block and hit that corner, we won't make a sound. God's been trying to make it this, why y'all ass can't fucking slap? Niggas post the block, they claim they at, but they ass not outside. Okay.
Bitches always flashing on the net like we is not them niggas. Heard these niggas always talk about me, we pop out with misses. Bitch, ain't this early, bitches know I'm getting sturdy. Had to hit a couple blocks to make sure niggas ain't turned 30. Pass Lee the Glock, you know he sparking off till that bitch in. Bellow spinning blocks, you know he pop you off like you was rich. They know I'm going off, I'm really in my mode cause I get busy. Bitches throw me off, bitches always doing all that talk, you got a dirty call. It ain't no I'm really in my mode, bitch don't throw me off. I'm picking niggas off like I'm the fiber, bitch don't piss me off.